If you're a real estate agent in the business and you haven't yet looked into artificial intelligence, start to learn about it. That's going to be incredibly important. I give several tips on the great beginnings of this. I do presentations as well. But first and foremost, I think it's probably best if you get on one of the free systems if you haven't paid for anything yet. Get on one of the free systems, and they're all very good. You can go to the OpenAI, the ChatGPT. You can go to Meta's. You can also go to X's if you can get access. I believe you might need a paid membership to use Grok. You can also use Copilot by Microsoft as well. But get on something and have a look and see what it's like. And just start with gentle interactions. And then if you really want to get excited, type in the prompt of how can I build my real estate business to be better? You'd be surprised what the system, what this artificial intelligence is going to tell you. Now, in with that, there are so many things you're going to hear online. It's just like back in the internet days when that broke loose. I was blogging before blogging was something about business. It was more about posting family pictures and being on vacation. So that really metamorphosized into an entire market and advertising campaign trying to get on that first page of Google above the fold in an organic search was really the trick. And there were a lot of ways to do that. Both white hat ways, which is like the good cowboy, where you're doing everything legal and ethical, and also black hat ways, which back in the day was terminology for somebody doing it kind of as a villain, doing things that they're not supposed to be doing, keyword stuffing, doing things that really aren't accepted, hoping they're not going to get caught, but eventually everybody that was playing that game was completely found out. Right now, as real estate agents, you're going to start seeing a lot of advertising about how somebody's going to be able to take your business to the next level using AI. And don't be so sure that that's going to happen, because there are ways that you can implement these strategies yourself. First and foremost, you need to understand those systems out there and get a little bit of learning and education in how they function. Prompting is something that's going to be a great place to start. Prompting is simply asking the system questions, whichever one it has to be. How can I take my business to a higher level? How can I get more productivity? What are the things I can do? What's the best ways to learn to interact with you so I can use you in my daily real estate endeavors? Ask those very simple questions. You'll be surprised on how the system will respond and the tips and tricks it's going to give you that you don't already know. But you have to implement them. Give it a shot. I'm Connor with Honor. We'll see you in the next one.